proper trial, meron tinatawag na confirmation of charges. And in the confirmation of charges, they will establish that there really is probable cause and that there really is jurisdiction. But I do not know if I can be registered in time for the hearing today. But in addition to the postponement, if I am recognized today, and I'm not sure yet, because we just did all the papers today, I will also bring the issue of the illegality of the arrest of the former president. That should lead to the court losing its jurisdiction. And I would be citing a case law from the Constitutional Court of South Africa that an illegal arrest is sufficient to divest the court of jurisdiction because you've been tried wrong by the Commission of Law. In addition to the lack of jurisdiction because we had withdrawn from our membership and of course the preliminary investigation commenced beyond the date that we had the jurisdiction. But of course, everything hinges on if I will be recognized today as but right now, we have to leave because we want to see the president before he is brought to court.
So just to be clear, sir, you said it has been sent privately already, yung request to postpone this particular initial
it has not been. It will have to be asked in the hearing today.
Today, okay.
Paano po pag hindi po na pagbibigyan ng hearing?
Sir, i-repeat ko sa'yo,
ano po ang next na plan ninyo?
Ang mangyayari lang naman kung yung mapagbibigyan is sasabihin lang kung ano yung nature charges. But it is not an arraignment. It is just to make sure he understands the nature of the charges against him. Not an arraignment.
Saan po yung hahain yung postponement?
In court na. Wala nang panahon kasi. Kasi alam niyo, itong notice came very late also. We had just arrived yesterday. And of course, nauna sila. DP came next evening of yesterday and I came yesterday then. No? And actually, yesterday we had no access to him because he was undergoing medical exam, no? And he was not here. No? And for a while, we were even alarmed where he was, but he was apparently subjected to medical examination. So it's only now, so pagbigyan na muna natin na magkita muna yung mag-ama. Okay? Can we do that?
Nasaan po si S. Villadea ngayon?
I think he is in the detention facility.
He's with the...
We're going to the detention facility now. Please don't follow kasi hindi rin kayo magbigyan access doon. Ha? Okay?
Thank you, Attorney.